welcome back to our channel. They're fighting na naman. Anyway, ilang araw akong, parang 1 week na ata. Shh! 1 week na ata ako hindi nakapag-upload kasi sa sobrang busy, may inaasikaso ako saglit guys. Kahapon umalis ako, nag cleaning kami sa area. Papakita ko sa inyo soon guys, but for now ano lang ako muna how you call that, naglilinis pa. And today araw ni Happy, it's his birthday. Happy 76th birthday, Happy. My wish for you is always stay healthy. You must to be careful all the time, even though I'm not around. And thank you for being so good husband with me. For ups and down, you're all the time. You're all the time with me. For every struggle in our lives, andyan ka talaga parati. And I'm really blessed for that. And thank you for being such a good husband and a good father to Jake. My wish is many more years to celebrate, many more candles to blow, and be happy. What they said is live to the fullest ba. While we're still here in this world, I know how you appreciate everything in your surroundings, yani, even though in a simple way, appreciate mo talaga yon, and thank you talaga. So I hope na yung mga dream natin makamit na rin natin soon, and thank you for these couples that who really all the time there for us. Thank you for these blessings that you've given to us. Hindi ko alam paano talaga magpapasalamat, but thank you talaga kasi naawa rin. Naawa. I don't want to say that kind of word ba na naawa, but I'm really grateful talaga na ganyan yung pagtrato ninyo sa amin. And thank you for these blessings din. Hindi ko siya thanks is not enough talaga, but I hope one day na magkakapit-bahay na tayo. Ko alam paano ba talaga sasabihin. Parang hindi na ako marunong mag-vlog sa ilang days na naging hindi ako nakapag-upload. So nagiging ganito na ako ba, para bang basta hindi ko alam paano na i-deliver yung pag-vlog guys. But anyway, the most important is nakapag-vlog ako. Kaloka. Ano lang guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo soon, but yesterday we went to the area, nag-cleaning kami, and sana soon makapag-transfer na kami soon. Yung sinasabi talaga na iyong bahay na ba. So I wish na magkakaroon na kami ng ganyan, kahit maliit lang, 3 lang naman kami. At thank you again, Dave, for being a part of this dream that me and Habi that really trying for many years na magkaroon talaga, at ikaw pa talaga yung nagiging how you call that, para bang bridge para makamta namin yung mga dream na hinahangad talaga namin, especially for dreaming the house. So, thank you, Ti, kahit ganyan. Pero blessed talaga kami kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin. And, again, happy birthday, Habi. Thank you for always be there for us. And please always stay healthy. Hindi namin kaya kung wala ka. Yung ganun ba? In short. So, if a-flash out natin dito, guys, or maybe in the next with this, I'm gonna show you something that what will be the blessings that they've given to us. So, thank you again, and I hope I can make more vlog. Kasi nagloko yung internet na naman. I really don't know what's going on. But I think maybe soon I'm gonna need to change the internet that we have, guys. Kasi 5 years na siya at para bang humihina na yung signal. Humihina na siya na magkuha ng signal. So, yeah. And thank you to all my subscribers, to those who send the super thanks, to those that who all the time keep watching of our video and supporting our channel. If you are new, please mag-subscribe ka rin and click the notification bell as well. And to those the people that not skipping our ads, thank you ng madami kasi appreciate namin yung mga nagawa ninyo ba, especially for not skipping the ads. It's really big help talaga, guys. And yun na lang. Thank you ng madami. So see you in the next vlog, guys. Bye.